Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to repurpose YouTube videos for TikTok using a free-to-use tool called Jobcast. We're going to be covering three different things. First of all, how to identify the key moments within your longer YouTube videos to bring them to TikTok. The second thing will be how to actually caption those clips that you create so that it's just a lot more accessible for people to see on the platform. And then last but not least is of course how to take these horizontal videos and resize them into vertical format. So without further ado, let us jump right in. So first of all, you would need to create a free account on Jobcast for this. And the next thing that you'll need to do is simply just upload your video straight from YouTube into Jobcast. All you need to do is just click on new. You might not be able to see it because of my video over here, but you just click on upload video. And then from there, you can just copy and paste your YouTube URL and just give it 5 to 10 minutes. And what Jobcast is going to do is it's actually going to watch the video on your behalf and identify some suggested key moments that you might want to use. So you can see these are some of the suggested key moments that got picked up. One of them is called really long videos. It was from a video that I've created on how to repurpose webinars, and I guess really long videos is around perhaps like a part where I was talking about like, the importance of kind of like shortening them when you want to repurpose and so on. Basically, there's a couple of things that you get right away when it comes to taking this YouTube video and turning it into a TikTok. First of all, the captions are already auto-generated for me, so all I need to do is simply just review it. If I wanted to make something capitalized or edit or change a word, I could simply do so right away. And then in terms of the actual clip itself, I could see on the timeline where Jobcast has selected that clip. But if I wanted to resize it for TikTok, maybe I want to tweak like the start and the end time of it, basically just to make sure that it's just right for whatever key moment I'm looking for. Alternatively, if I'm looking to search for something specific here, let's say, the word webinar, it'll tell me where in the timeline this topic has been picked up. And from there, I'd be able to go ahead and just select those parts. So that's in terms of like captioning it and just resizing the clip in terms of like the start and end time. The next thing, of course, is finding ways to turn that into a vertical video. So in this case, you have two different options. The first one is something that we call fit. So over here, it will basically take that horizontal video, put it in the middle, and then give you space to add your subtitles and perhaps a text title at the start over here. Something like this, for example. And basically, I can also decide like what color I want for the background and so on. I can obviously make the font bigger. So this is one look and feel. The other one that I could do is basically turn it into crop. So this is pretty useful, especially if your subject is in the center of the frame. And from there, yeah, you can basically see what that would look like. In this case, I can choose to remove the title and maybe make the subtitles a little bit bigger. Let's try, maybe something like that. And very quickly, I can take what was originally a YouTube video and turn it into that vertical clip right away. And then from there, I could just go ahead and replicate that process for the other key moments that Jobcast has identified. Or of course, if I wanted to just search for specific topics or keywords, I could create clips that way as well. Last but not least is I can just click export in the top right corner here and simply select MP4. And in just a couple of seconds or minutes, if it's a little bit longer, the clip will basically render and automatically export to your computer. So that's just a quick look in terms of how you can take your YouTube videos and repurpose them for TikTok. I'm curious to know how you're currently doing it at the moment and what other things you are looking to achieve when it comes to taking these videos and finding more ways to benefit from them across the board. So I hope you enjoyed this one. Please do keep your questions coming because this is how we get ideas on other clips and videos that we can create. And I'll see you in the next one.